What's up guys, and welcome back to another crypto roll video. Today we are checking out TokenFi, something truly amazing from Floki, so guys stay tuned. So guys, as you can see in front of you is TokenFi, something truly amazing from Floki, so stay tuned till the end of the video. You'll find out everything that you need about this amazing part of Floki ecosystem. So TokenFi preparing to be leader in the tokenization and RVA industry via its TokenFi platform. In addition guys, TokenFi is currently at a generational discount. So what is TokenFi? TokenFi is all-in-one tokenization platform for creating tokens and tokenizing real-world assets, or RWA, in a few clicks using a simple WYSIWYG interface without touching a line of code. TokenFi is taking on the tokenization and real-world asset industry, which is projected to be 16 trillion industry by 2030. So the next thing guys that I would like to mention is happening on the white paper, where you can see that this is what they actually are and all the parts of TokenFi ecosystem. And you can see TokenFi is all-in-one tokenization platform for creating tokens and tokenizing real-world assets, RVA, in a few clicks using simple interface without touching a line of code. TokenFi is taking on a tokenization and real-world industry, which is projected to be 16 trillion industry by 2030. So BlackRock, the world's largest investment firm and institutional asset manager that manages 10 trillion assets, refer to tokenization as the next evolution in the market, and I think that's really going to happen. So TokenFi is a Floki project and is controlled by the Floki DAO, which is important, and it is led by the Floki core team, whose expertise propelled the Floki token into a global phenomenon and one of the world's most popular cryptocurrency, with an impressive 460,000+ holders and brand recognized by over 3 billion people, and at all-time high valued at 3.5 billion. So this white paper gives you an overview of what they are offering and their attempt to disrupt the tokenization industry, which is projected to be worth 16 trillion. I will mention that again, and you can see the potential in this. So by going back to the website guys, I will go through the website and you will see what they are actually offering. So here you can see the first one is TokenFi token launcher, and you can see launch your own ERC or B20 compliant token like Floki, for example, without touching a line of code. Very simple stuff. Generative AI for NFT. So TokenFi users can leverage the power of generative AI for their NFT launches, resulting in quick and high quality artwork with just a few clicks, which is truly amazing. TokenFi Connect allows users to directly and seamlessly connect with the key players. TokenFi Quick Launcher bot would allow quick and instantaneous token deployment through Telegram and Discord, and that's amazing stuff. So strategically position TokenFi to capitalize on Telegram's massive user base of 800 million users and Discord massive of close to 200 million users, which is important as two main social platforms used for crypto world. You can see the next thing that is coming very soon is TokenFi RVA tokenization module, and you can see referral program and users incentives. TokenFi AI smart contract auditor is extremely stuff that is coming soon, so use artificial intelligence to perform an on-the-spot audit of token created with TokenFi, assuring users about contracts they launch through the platform. So users will also get a branded audit report to show the users to increase trust in their tokens, which is important because in crypto there is a lot of different scams happen. TokenFi Launchpad is also there, so allow users to raise funds for their tokens in a decentralized manner and without worrying about the technical aspects, which is also great. So TokenFi is an amazing platform with great things and big opportunities happening inside of that. So let's continue on the video guys, and I want to tell some other things. So 2025 is shaping up the year of tokenization. Is going to be with more companies, banks, and even governments moving real-world assets onto the blockchain. The financial landscape is evolving extremely rapidly. From real estate and gold to stocks and even luxury goods, tokenization is making everything more accessible. But why is 2025 shaping this year. So clear regulations are making it much easier. That's the first thing. So for years, one of the biggest barriers to tokenization was the lack of clear rules. Banks and big industries were interested but hesitant because they weren't sure how regulations would threat tokenized assets, and that's starting to change right now. Countries like like Arabs, Singapore and Hong Kong are introducing regulations that make it easier for companies to tokenize assets while staying compliant with law. Even in the US and Europe, regulators are discussing framework that would help tokenized RVAs thrive, and that's going to be some completely new thing in the investing, general investing in the world, which is going to be which there is going to be a lot of opportunities, and you don't want to miss this revolution, guys, and that's why this video is for you. So imagine you buying piece of real estate on the blockchain came with the same legal protection and traditional property purchases. That's what's going to happen very soon. Tokenized assets are becoming more accessible. That's the second part of this year and what's going to happen. So one of the biggest advantages of tokenization is that it breaks down large assets into smaller more affordable pieces. Instead of needing millions to invest in real estate or art, people can buy a fraction of those assets just like they would buy shares in a company. So for example, 10 million commercial building could be divided into thousands of digital tokens, allowing investors to buy a small stake for as little as $1,000. Luxury brands also getting into the game. Instead of one person owning an expensive handbag or a rare watch, tokenization allows multiple people to co-own a luxury item. This creates a new market for high-end goods, making ownership more flexible and engaging. Third part is interoperability and solving the blockchain problem. So one challenge with blockchain technology has been the different blockchains don't always communicate well with each other. So if you tokenize an asset on one blockchain, it might be difficult to move or trade to another. So this is changing extremely fast with a lot of bridges and other things. So new blockchain technology allows tokenized assets to move seamlessly between different platforms. This means that someone who buys a tokenized share of company or a digital gold token could easily trade in on multiple exchanges, which is really great. So think like of using a bank card that works anywhere in the world rather than being limited to the certain ATMs, which is right now happening all over the place. Tokenized assets are unlocking more liquidity. So liquidity refers to how easily an asset can be bought or sold without affecting its price. So real estate, fine art, and private equity and traditional liquidity markets, meaning they take time to sell and require large amounts of money to trade. Tokenization changed that by allowing fractional ownership and 24/7 trading on decentralized exchanges. So there is complete freedom that is coming with tokenization. So for example, if someone owns a piece of tokenized real estate, they don't have to sell the whole property. They can sell just a portion of their holdings instantly on the marketplace, just like selling stocks. And that's really amazing. Plus, you cannot sell stocks anytime, 24/7. You need to wait when the market is open. And with decentralized exchanges, it's completely 24/7 transactions. So next thing, guys, is big players are jumping in, and that's one of the most significant things that's happening. So when blockchain technology first started, it was mostly crypto startups experimenting with tokenization. Now some of the biggest names in the finance are getting involved, like BlackRock, JP Morgan, or HSBC are all working on tokenization projects. Even governments are starting to explore the benefits of blockchain based assets. For example, HSBC launched a tokenized gold product for retail investors, allowing them to buy gold-backed tokens instead of dealing with physical gold. Similarly, real estate firms are tokenizing properties to streamline sales and increase investment options. TokenFi has been talking about tokenization for a while now, focused on making the process simple and accessible for everyone. So with its upcoming RA tokenization module that I showed you in previous parts of the video, users will be able to tokenize real-world assets seamlessly without needing any technical expertise. So that's what's happening right now, guys, and that's why this year is so important. Next thing, guys, is something important. This is the update video. This is the news that you can see a proposal from the Floki DAO, and you can see remove the TokenFi buy-sell transaction tax. That's what happened. So the DAO proposal to remove the buy-sell transaction just passed on 25th March 2025, and it's 100% approval. So you can see right here that TokenFi smart contract has 0.3 buy and sell transaction tax that is changed when users interact with token on chain through DEX. 80% of that goes to the Floki treasury, and while 20% goes to TokenFi liquidity. When important and strategical significant partner has requested a complete removal of TokenFi buy and sell taxes as a condition for having token integrated on the platform. So this integration makes it easy for tens of millions of users to access token. That will help acceleration adoption, and we believe removing the tax will make token more attractive in several ways. And as a result, we would like to propose complete removal of the TokenFi transaction tax, so that is zero tax immediately this proposal passes. Pros and cons are here, so you can see we meet the requirement for very important and strategic integration that will accelerate adoption of the TokenFi, and TokenFi become a lot more attractive to the centralized exchanges and partners that would like to integrate due to a lack of transaction tax. TokenFi becomes a lot more interactive to whales and on-chain traders due to the lack of transaction tax, and that's important stuff. You can see also the cons where they are losing the revenue from transaction tax. Currently the amount being generated from the tax is very insignificant, so this will not have any material impact on the project. In addition to this, TokenFi has a robust treasury that allows it to make key operational development and marketing moves that will accelerate its growth, so there will be zero negative impact on the project if the tax is removed. So guys, you can see this is something that passed, and this is something really amazing. Here guys, you can also see new DAO proposal live, remove the token transaction tax. Also this is on Floki X profile, and you can see everything that I said also was there. So also guys, the important thing that I would like to before we finish the video guys is that everything that Floki is doing is really amazing. This part of their ecosystem is something truly amazing. With all the things that's happening right now, they are really changing the game, and right now this is something, there are some big opportunities right here guys. You can buy TokenFi, you can buy Floki token, everything depends on what you would like to do. So you can buy them on a OKX DEX, you can see on PancakeSwap, and also on a Uniswap. So PancakeSwap is one of the places where you will be able to go and buy their token. You can choose between different one. Token is, I think, right now on a discount. With all the things that they are offering, I think the token will worth much more. With all of this guys, I'll finish the video in the comment section below. Please tell me what you think about the TokenFi and everything that they are offering to the industry. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video.